So this is our part 2 of our 3-part series on well, first we made sunflower seed butter. Now we're going to turn it into Nutella, and then next we're going to turn it into energy balls. So I just wanted to show you each phase of it, and you can take from it what you want to, right?
Yeah.
I just wanted to show you each phase of it. So in this phase, we're going to be adding some stuff to our sunflower seed butter to make it like Nutella. Get it?
Oh.
Nutella. This is not Nutella. It's not
Nutella. That next time.
Okay, yeah, we'll make balls next. Okay, so let me show you. What we're gonna do is
I'm gonna show this pan to you.
Okay, show them the pan, Manny. Thank you. This is a pan. Wonderful. Thank you, Manny. Can you put the pan down? It's actually a mixing bowl. But anyway, measuring cup. We are going to add this is more than 3/4 of a cup. It's closer to a cup. But less than 1 cup of either honey, maple syrup, or some kind of liquidy, syrupy sweetener. This is actually raw honey with a little bit of maple syrup. I think my favorite is using the maple syrup. It has a nice rich flavor that's not super duper sweet. But the honey can give it a little extra like sweet punch. Okay, Manny, you're not gonna lick this right now. I know that's what you might want to do. All right, and
What's
then
this for?
How many cups is in here?
Mom, what is this for?
What's what for, baby?
This.
There's 2 cups. Okay, so I'm gonna put, you wanna put 1 cup of nut butter to about 3/4 cup of a liquid sweetener, okay? This is a 2-cup container, so I'm doing just like half of it.
What's that? What's the other part for?
What other part, baby?
The peanut butter.
The peanut butter? Oh, we're just gonna save it. We can put it on our waffles, put it on bread, whatever. Okay. Now, so again, the base of this recipe is 1 cup nut butter to 3/4 cup of liquidy type sweetener. So you could use almond butter, peanut butter if you so choose, cashew nut butter. You can use whatever nut butter you want to, or seed butter. We've done a variety and they all come out pretty good. Like,
what should we do this?
My favorite is probably this one, but we have done the cashew butter, and that one is really good too. We've made little things out of it. Yes, baby.
What should we do when
What we're using that for?
Yeah.
We'll use that when we make the balls in the next part. All right, and now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of, this is carob powder, and if you've seen if you've seen my videos on like carob candy bar and carob brownies, you'll know why I use carob instead of chocolate. But if you so choose, you can use cocoa powder. So this is just a base, and this is how we do it. But this is what we use. This is the Chatfield's brand.
Look, you don't do what in here.
Carob powder. Yep, I did. And now we're just going to, Manny, can you mix this?
Sure.
Okay, mix it kind of gently because Mommy's kind of making a little bit of a mess. Go ahead. Oh, give it a little bit more spin to it. There you go.
Look at that.
Yeah, let me do it too.
Well, it looks like a bun that she did that. I looked.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What is that? It's mixy.
What's that what?
What is that? Mixed brown.
It's just you're mixing it, so it's not all uniform color yet. I feel like I want to put more carob powder in there. I want it to be nice and dark.
What's mixing?
Looking good already though. Maybe that's enough. I think I usually put 2 tablespoons.
Can we put some more and you dump it in there again? Let me do that again.
Some more? More what, baby? No, I think this is good actually.
I think it is not good.
You just want to put more stuff in there. Okay, in the next recipe, you'll be able to put more stuff in here. All right, see? Nutella. Not Tella. Not Tella. Can you say not Tella?
Not Tella.
So that's that. And you can add this to whatever you use Nutella for. It's just such a simple recipe, and it's delicious, it's healthy, it's vegan. And that's it. All right, make sure you come back for the next part and how we make our energy balls. Until then, enjoy your Nutella. I saw that. Okay, I know this is not about Vitamixes, but I just love Vitamix, and I just wanted to show you that it's really easy to clean, because who wants to clean nut butter out of the bottom of a blender? I just put a couple drops of dishwashing liquid and some water, and okay, so this just makes it so much easier to clean. Like, I didn't even fill it up all the way, and you see how the blades are clean, so you don't have to worry about getting all the gunk from the bottom. And I didn't even fill up the water all the way. This would have cleaned that more too, but it just makes it super easy to clean. Love it. You know what else I like too? Like, cleaning out the Ninja, you have to take the blade assembly, and some of the other ones you have to take the blade assembly out, but this one you don't. Like, my husband actually cut himself on the Ninja's blade assembly trying to take it out, clean it, but this one you don't have to worry about taking it out and worry about getting cut as easily because the blade's already clean. Manny, what are you doing? Have you been eating it?
No. There's dirty.
Boy, you better tell the truth.
It's dirty from making it.
It's dirty from making it. Manny,
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you again.
And dirty from...
Look at the camera. Do you see your mouth? Did you eat any? Just tell the truth. Yes or no? What?
Dirty from making
No. Did you eat some Nutella? Nutella, yes or no? Tell the truth, Manny. Did you? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, come on. Don't lie, Manny. Lying's not nice. Did you? Manny, you have Nutella on your face. Oh, man. Help us.